Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share my lunch and time in my garden.
Purple lilies in the vase. You always have the perfect way to say I love you, to say
Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Ipakita ko sa inyo itong ang dami-daming bunga ng papaya. Nagkalap lahat nito guys. At mayroon din talbos ng kamote, malunggay, at saka talbos ng kamuting kahoy. At saka may saging din. Halo-halo yung tanim dito sa likod.